Namaste parents, hello children, this is AJ. Welcome back to our session. We are learning 7th standard CBSE Mathematics, Chapter 12, Algebraic Expressions. Let us start exercise 12.3 children. First question children, if m equal to 2, find the value of these all. Right, they have given some questions. First one, m minus 2. What is m? m equal to 2. Correct children? M value is 2 here. So substitute the value here. 2 minus 2 already there. 2 minus 2 is 0. Answer is 0. Second one, 3m minus 5 children. What is m value? 2. 3 of 2 minus 5. 3 into 2 is 6 minus 5 children, that is 1. Third one, 9 minus 5m. 9 in m place we have to put the value 2 minus 5, 2. 9 minus 5 2s are 10 children. Plus 9 minus 10, that is minus 1 is the answer. Fourth one, 3m square minus 2m minus 7 children. Here m value is 2. 3 in place of m square we have to write 2 square minus 2m. 2 into 2 minus 7. 3 2 square means 4 children. Minus 2 2s are 4 minus 7. 3 4s are 12. Minus 4 minus 7. It is minus 11 children. 12 minus 11 is 1 is the answer. Fifth one, 5m by 2 minus 4. 5 in m place we have to write 2 divided by 2 minus 4. 5 into 2. 10 by 2 minus 4 children. 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. Correct? So 5 minus 4 is 1. Here also 1 is the answer. Second question, if p equal to minus 2, find these values children. Same model children, we have to substitute p value here. First one, 4p plus 7. 4 in p place we have to substitute minus 2 plus 7. 4 into minus 2 children, that is minus 8 plus 7. Minus 8 and plus 7, minus 1. Second one, minus 3p square, that means minus 3. In p place we have to write minus 2. Minus 2 whole square plus 4p. 4 into p place we have to substitute minus 2 children plus 7. Correct? Now this is minus 3 minus 2 into minus 2, that means minus 2 square, that is 4 children. 4 into minus 2, minus 8 plus 7. Minus 3 into minus 4, minus 12. Minus 8 plus 7 children, minus 1. Now minus 12 minus 1, minus 13 is the answer. Third question, same. We have to substitute p value. Minus 2p cube. Minus 2 in p place we have to write minus 2 whole cube minus 3p square minus 2 whole square plus 4 into p. 4 into minus 2 plus 7 children. Correct? Now this equal to minus 2 whole cube. Minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. Minus 3 into minus 2 whole square, anyway 4, you know that. 4 into minus 2 children, minus 8 plus 7. Correct? Minus 2 into minus 8 children, that is plus 16. Minus 3 into plus 4, minus 12, minus 8 plus 7. Correct children? Now plus 16 plus 7, that equal to 23. Minus 12 minus 8. Minus 20. 23 minus 23 is the answer children. Third question children. Find the value of the following expressions when x equal to minus 1. Same here also we have to put x value, that is minus 1 children. First one, 2x minus 7. 2 of x means minus 1 minus 7. Correct children? 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Minus 7 already there. Now minus 2 minus 7. Minus 9 children. Second one, minus x plus 2. In x place we have to write minus 1. Minus already there. Don't get confused. Minus already there, children. Now in x place only we have to write minus 1. Correct? Minus of minus 1 plus 2. Minus into minus plus 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3, children. Third one, x square plus 2x plus 1. In x place we have to write minus 1. X square, that means minus 1 whole square plus 2 of minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1. 2 into minus 1. Minus 2, children, plus 1. Plus 1 plus 1, 2, children. 2 minus 2, it is 0. Fourth one, 2x square minus x minus 2. 2, in x place we have to write minus 1 whole square, minus of, again in x place, minus 1, minus 2. 2 of minus 1 whole square, 1 only. Minus into minus 1 plus 1 minus 2. 2 ones are 2, children, plus 1 minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 will get cancelled, it is 0. Now what is the answer? 1. Fourth one, children, if a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 2, find the value of this. First one, a square plus b square, children. What is a value? 2. That means 2 square plus what is b value? Minus 2. Minus 2 whole square, children. 2 square is 4 plus minus 2 whole square also 4. 4 plus 4, 8, children. Second one, a square plus ab plus b square. Right? Write a value 2 square plus a again 2, b value minus 2 plus b square. B means minus 2 whole square, children. 2 square means 4 plus 2 minus 2. 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, children. Plus 4 minus 4, it is 0. So answer is 4. A square minus b square, third one. A is 2 whole square minus b is minus 2. Minus 2 whole square. A square, that means 2 square is 4 minus 2 whole square, 4, children. 4 minus 4, it is 0. Fifth one, children. When a equal to 0 and b equal to minus 1, find the value of the given expression. First one, 2a plus 2b. 2a means 0, children. 2 of 0 plus 2, b value minus 1. 2 of minus 1. 2 into 0, 0 plus 2 into minus 1, minus 2, children. 0 minus 2, anyway minus 2 is the answer. 2a square plus b square plus 1. 2 of a square, that means 0 square plus b square minus 1 whole square plus 1. 2 into 0 square, anyway 0 only. Minus 1 whole square plus 1 again. 2 into 0, 0 plus 1, children, plus 2. So answer is 2. Third one, 2a square b plus 2ab square plus ab. 2 into a square, that is 0 square. In b place we have to write minus 1 plus 2 into a, again 0. B square means minus 1 whole square plus a, that is 0 into b, minus 1, children. 2 into 0, 0, 0 into minus 1, again 0, right? Plus 2 into 0, 0, 0 into minus 1 whole square, that is also 0. 0 into minus 1, 0. So answer is 0, children. Fourth one, a square, that means 0 square plus ab. 0 into minus 1 plus 2. 0 square is 0 plus 0 into minus 1 also 0 plus 2. So what is the answer, children? 2. Sixth one, children, simplify the expressions and find the value if x equal to 2. First one, x plus 7 plus 4 of x minus 5. First we have to simplify, children. So write x plus 7 as it is plus 4 into x, 4x 4 into minus 5, minus 20. Correct, children? X here plus 4x here, that means 5x. We have to add like terms first. So x plus 4x is 5x minus 20 plus 7, that is minus 13. Okay, children? Now the expression is 5x minus 13. Now put x value is 2, 5 of 2 minus 13, that equal to 5 2s are 10 minus 13 minus 3 is the answer. Second one, 3 of x plus 2 plus 5x minus 7. Here also first we will simplify. 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 2 plus 6 plus 5x and minus 7 already there. Now see like terms, 3x plus 5x, 8x, 6 minus 7 children, minus 1. Now put x value is 2, 8 of 2 minus 1. 8 2s are 16 minus 1 children, it is 15. Third one, 6x plus 5 into x minus 2 children. 6x plus 5 into x, 5x, 5 into minus 2, minus 10. Now 6x plus 5x, 11x minus 10 children. This is the expression. Now put x value is 2, 11 of 2. That means 11 into 2 minus 10. 11 into 2 is 22 minus 10 children. That is 12. Fourth one, 4 of 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11. 4 into 2x, 8x. 4 into minus 1, minus 4 plus 3x and plus 11 already there. 8x plus 3x, 11x plus 11 minus 4 plus 7 children. Now 11 into 2, x value is 2, right? 11 into 2 plus 7. 22 plus 7 children, that is 29. Seventh one children, simplify these expressions and find their values if x equal to 3, a equal to minus 1, b equal to minus 2 children. First one, 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. Here also same, we have to add like terms. 3x minus x children. 2x minus 5 plus 9 plus 4. Now put the value of x. 2 into 3 plus 4. 2 3s are 6 children plus 4, that is 10. Now second one, 2 minus 8x plus 4x plus 4. Here also we have two like terms, minus 8x plus 4x minus 4x plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 children. Now this is the expression, put the value of x, x equal to 3 minus 4 into 3 plus 6. Minus 4 into 3 is minus 12 plus 6, that equal to minus 6. Third one, 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1. 3a minus 8a like terms children. That is minus 5a plus 5 plus 1 plus 6. What is a value children? Minus 1. Minus 5 of minus 1 plus 6. Minus 5 into minus 1 plus 5 plus 6 equal to 11. Fourth one, 10 minus 3b minus 4 minus 5b children. 3b minus 5b are like terms. What is minus 3b and minus 5b children? Minus 8b. Plus 10 minus 4 plus 6. Now we have to put b value children. Minus 8 into b is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 6. Minus 8 into minus 2 plus 16 plus 6, that equal to 22 is the answer. Fifth one, 2a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 plus a. 2a and a are the like terms here. 2a plus a, 3a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 children minus 9. Now put a and b values. 3 of minus 1, a value is minus 1, b value is minus 2. Minus 2 of minus 2 minus 9. 3 into minus 1 children minus 3, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 minus 9. Minus 3 minus 9 minus 12 plus 4, that equal to minus 8 is the answer. Eighth question, first one children, if z equal to 10, find the value of z cube minus 3 of z minus 10. Correct children? Now z equal to 10, z cube means 10 cube minus 3 of z, that is 10 minus 10. Okay children, 10 cube, 10 into 10 is 100, 100 into 10 is 1000. Minus 3 of 10 minus 10 is 0 anyway. Now 1000 minus 0, it is 1000 children. Second one, if p equal to minus 10, find the value of p square minus 2p minus 100 children. P equal to minus 10 here. So p square minus 10 whole square minus 2 of minus 10 and minus 100 already there. Minus 10 square children, that is 100. Minus 10 into minus 10 is plus 100. Minus 2 into minus 10 plus 20 minus 100 already there. Now plus 100 minus 100, it is 0 children. 20 plus 0, 20. Ninth question children, what should be the value of a? The value of 2x square plus x minus a equals to 5 when x equal to 0. Right children? They have given one expression that value equal to 5 and x equal to 0. We have to find out a value. Right? Put the value x equal to 0 now. 2 of 0 square plus 0 minus a. We don't know. We have to find out that equal to 5. Correct children? 2 into 0 square, 0 plus 0 minus a equal to 5. So minus a equal to 5. That means a equal to minus 5. 10th question children, simplify the expression and find the value when a equal to 5 and b equal to minus 3 children. This is the expression 2 of a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab children. Let us simplify 2 into a square. 2a square plus ab into 2 plus 2ab plus 3 minus ab already there. Now see like terms 2ab minus ab children plus ab 1ab 2a square plus 3. Correct children? Now put a and b values here. 2 of a square, that is 5 square plus a is 5 and b is minus 3 plus 3. 2 into 5 square means 25 children. 5 into minus 3 minus 15 plus 3. 2 25s 50 children. Minus 15 plus 3 minus 12. So this equal to 38. 38 is the answer. Thank you very much children.